In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit WhatsApp messages. So it's quite simple. So make sure your WhatsApp is updated. So for example, I'll be texting some message here. Let's just say good night everyone and then press the send button. And I want to edit this one. I'll just press and hold the message I just sent and then click the three dots on the upper right and select edit. So now you can edit the message that you have sent. So I'll just put a stickers and then send it again. Just press OK. So as you can see here, I already edited the message I just sent earlier. But you will notice here the word edited. I will zoom this out for you. There you go. So your chatmate will also know that you edit this message. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.